Welcome to this tutorial on how to redeem a Twitch gift card. Twitch is a popular live streaming platform where you can watch and interact with your favorite gamers and content creators. To support your favorite streamers, you can purchase a Twitch gift card and redeem it for subscriptions, donations, and other virtual items. First, let's talk about how to get a Twitch gift card. You can buy a Twitch gift card from various online retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and Best Buy. You can also purchase a digital gift card from the Twitch website. When buying a gift card, make sure to choose the correct denomination and ensure that it is for the right region, as gift cards may not be redeemable in all countries. Once you have your gift card, it's time to redeem it. To do this, log into your Twitch account and navigate to the Twitch website. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select Drops and Rewards from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Redeem a gift card and enter the gift card code. The code is usually found on the back of the card or in the email if you purchased a digital gift card. After entering the code, click on Redeem and the gift card balance will be added to your Twitch account. You can then use this balance to purchase subscriptions, donate to your favorite streamers, or buy virtual items such as channel subscriptions, emotes, and cheering with bits. It's worth noting that Twitch gift cards can only be redeemed on the Twitch website and not on the mobile app. Also, gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash, so make sure to use them wisely. In conclusion, redeeming a Twitch gift card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By following this guide, you can easily add funds to your Twitch account and support your favorite streamers. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of the gift card before redeeming it, and to use it wisely to get the most out of your Twitch experience.